Guide to trusting Vebko software in Bitdefender Antivirus. To trust Vebko software, after installing the software, you need to apply operations in Bitdefender Antivirus. First, into the Protection section, then the Antivirus section and select Manage Exceptions option. Select all the Exceptions tab and select Add an Exception option. And in the Exceptions option window, click on the Browse icon. In the Select a File or Folder to Accept window, specify the path to install Vebko software on the computer and select the software folder to be trusted. The default path where the Vebko software is installed is displayed as follows. In this section, by selecting Vebko folder and selecting OK option as well as on Save option, the declared path is recorded. After this step, you should do one of the following steps to trust the software version compared to the version you have installed stable or test on your system. By selecting the Vebko stable folder shown in the path, proceed to trust stable version. It should be noted that the app data folder is in hidden mode by default, and you should display it by selecting the hidden items option in the View tab. Instead of asterisk, you should select the name of your Windows account, and finally, by doing these steps, the software will run as trusted and antivirus will not prevent its activity. Also, to trust the test version, you can select the Vebko test folder in the path shown. It should be noted that the app data folder is in the hidden mode by default, and you should display it by selecting the hidden items option in the View tab. By selecting the Vebko test folder shown in the path, instead of asterisk, you should select the name of your Windows account.